What temperature should you expect in your location Halloween night? Well, I've got some answers for you. Now remember, we still are about 250 hours out, so this would be considered more of an outlook than a forecast. That being said, we do see similar trends with the Euro, GFS, and Canadian models. This gives us confidence that we could see conditions similar to what these models are projecting. Now this is a quick representation of what the GFS thinks we could see moving into Halloween night. Now across much of the states, we could see anything from slightly below to slightly above average temperatures, with the southern states, mid-Atlantic, and New England possibly seeing the highest heat anomalies. Now if we look at the Euro model, which only takes us to the day before Halloween, you can see similar temperature trends. Now let's take a look at what is specifically signaling these temperatures. Now as we move into this weekend, you will see a trough begin to dig down into the northeast, which should bring some cooler temperatures for the East Coast. Now once these troughs move out, we do expect to fall into a pattern that resembles more zonal ridging. During this time frame between the 25th and 28th, models show a large ridge settling in across the states. During this time, we could see positive heat anomalies from the West Coast to the East Coast. But following this ridging pattern, the Canadian, Euro, and GFS show what looks like another trough beginning to dig across the country. Now the timing of this potential trough is everything. If we see this dip in the jet stream move in slightly earlier than expected, we could see below average temperatures from the west to the east coast. Although if this dip takes longer than expected, we could see a much hotter eastern half of the country, while the western portion of the country is experiencing a large cool down. Now, as Halloween approaches, this outlook will turn into a forecast as data will begin to give us a much more accurate picture of what we could see Halloween night. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching this video. You can leave any questions or concerns in the comments and I'll do my best to respond to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.